Alright, comparing and ordering integers. So let's talk about what it means to compare and what it means to order. So first off, comparing is greater than, less than, or equal to. That's what they're asking. You have two numbers and you're comparing them. So you could have two numbers like 5 and negative 3. And you would say that positive 5 is greater than negative 3. Comparing. Ordering is ordering them from least to greatest or greatest to least. So you have a list of numbers like negative 5 to negative 3. And you're going to order them from least to greatest. Least is negative 5, negative 3, and then positive 2. So it's just a list ordering them least to greatest. You've done comparing and ordering before. Should be fairly simple. First thing we're going to do is we're going to compare these four problems here, and then we'll order these two problems. So, compare. 7 is greater than negative 12. How do I know that? Positives are always more than a negative. Second one right here. Now here we have a negative 3 and a negative 9. This might be where you need to do a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 9, negative 3. Which one's greater? Now most people might think right away, oh, negative 9 is greater because 9 is bigger than 3. As positive numbers, yes, 9 is a greater number than 3. But as far as negative goes, it's opposite of that because closer to 0 is more. And negative 3 is closer to 0 than negative 9. Therefore, negative 3 is greater than negative 9. Also, here, we're talking about getting closer to 0. This is in the negative, so 0 is more than being in the negative. So, greater than is the 0. So, negative 8 is less than 0. Here we have negative 2, absolute value, and negative 2. Some of you might be thinking, oh, those were equals, but remember, absolute value right here means that it is positive. So this is actually 2. So absolute value of negative 2 is greater than negative 2. Let's list now. Order. Least to greatest. So the least one here, we're going to go negative 7, negative 6, 5 being the greatest. Once again, number line. What do we have? This is going to be 7, this is going to be 6. 7 is further away from 0, so that means it is less. You kind of got to think about it like, I like to think about it like owing money. You know, you want to owe the least amount of money. You don't want to be in debt to people. So the closer you are to owing no one money, the better off you are. And when you go to the positive, that means that that's actually money in your pocket. So you don't want to owe, you'd rather owe $6 than 7, so 7's going to be the least amount. Here we got negative 6, negative 2, and then a positive 8. And then the last one, same thing. Negative 21. I don't want to owe someone $21. I'd rather owe someone 12 than 21. And then this is negative 15, but it's absolute value. So that means it's really positive 15. So that's what we're looking at on ordering and comparing. Just greater than, less than, or equal to, and then listing them from greatest to or least to greatest. Questions? You write them down. I'll help you in class.